I'm Bree the Plant Lady. Welcome to my overwintering shed. I've had a ton of questions about how I overwinter plants like succulents and citrus, and this little den is my magic zone. I've learned over the years that my greenhouse isn't warm enough, so I don't even put plastic on my greenhouse anymore. And when we had to have a new air conditioner put in, we went ahead and had them add a vent to this attached shed. So this stays room temperature. It's the same temperature as my house, except that I have grow lights added. I have 2 lights in here, and I've installed a door with a window, so this doesn't stay super dark, even on a dreary winter day. And now my task is to clean it out. And so I've got to clear out all of the open space above me here, because that's where I load all of my tender plants for the winter. They get stashed in here. Anything that needs watering on a regular basis comes down to the ground level so that I can bring it outside, water it with the hose, and then bring it back in. But all of my dry plants, like all of the succulents that I overwinter, go up there. So basically they're gonna get watered today, and they're not gonna get watered again until we're frost free sometime in March or April. So I only overwinter really either plants with sentimental value or plants that are difficult to find. I love plant shopping. It's not my mission to save absolutely every plant. It's just a collection of, different specimens, like, these relatively well-established succulents, and some of my pre-made window boxes that I've been growing for many years. And I just like to be able to stash them away for the winter season, and then when we're warm, I can bring them out, hang them up, and get the party started for the next season. So stay tuned for my progress. I'll be sharing more tips and tricks for successfully overwintering some of your tender plants in the easiest, lowest maintenance fashion. So you can kind of see the amount of space that I have available. Shelf across here, and then of course the top of the refrigerator, and a grow light there, which will be on a timer, and then my overhead light. I probably will add another light bulb or 2, just to make sure that all parts of this room get the right amount of light, because really, that spot right there is the best area, and over here is relatively dark, and I want to even out the light, so I'll probably add another light bulb. So what light bulbs am I using? Well, I'm using the Norb Botanic lights, and these did great for me last winter. This is what I use. I just used the 2 last year. And I think by adding 2 more, I'm gonna have an even more successful experience. So you should check out Norb, N-O-R-B. All right, now that the shed is emptied, I have found another light fixture that I'm gonna hang. It's time for me to get this loaded up with my tender plants. Okay, we have both Norb grow lights plugged in onto a timer. All of our extra extension cords are out of the way, and the timer is here in easy access. I just have it on right now so I have better light, but this is basically going to be set from 4 p.m. to midnight every day, just to extend the day length and keep all of these plants happy. You can see it's loaded. Lots of succulents. None of these are going to get watered through the grow season at all. Upper shelf is totally dry. Ground floor has some stuff that's going to come in and out as the temperatures go up and down. Like after tonight, we don't have any more freezing temperatures, so these 3 pots will come back outside. And I'll do that most of the winter, in and out, temperature dependent.